case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
A 2013 case in the United States Court of Appeals for the Second Circuit, Aegis Insurance Services, Inc. v. Seven World Trade Company examined the duty of care in liability cases. The lawsuit began when Consolidated Edison Company of New York, Inc., Con Ed, sued several parties for negligence that allegedly caused the collapse of 7 World Trade Center and subsequent destruction of Con Ed's substation during the September 11th terrorist attacks. Tishman Construction Corporation, the Office of Irwin G. Cantor, P.C., and 7 World Trade Company, L.P., were among the defendants. The district court initially granted summary judgment in favor of some parties and dismissed claims against others. This decision was later appealed to the Second Circuit Court of Appeals, which affirmed the district court's rulings. The court determined that Con Ed failed to provide sufficient evidence proving that the defendant's negligence had caused its injury. Additionally, it was deemed unreasonable to expect the defendants to build a structure capable of withstanding the events of September 11th. Ultimately, the district court's judgment was upheld, reconfirming that a defendant's liability is only established if they owe the plaintiff a duty of care, including acting with reasonable effort to avoid causing foreseeable harm.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.